Hey guys, how's it going? Today's your boy LetsGoBJones, and today I have another unboxing video for you guys. Today's Brit. Ow. That hurt. Hey guys, how's it going? Today's your boy LetsGoBJones, and today we have another amazing unboxing video for you guys. And today we're going to be working with WONDERPLACE. I recently just saw a bunch of photos for them. The cool thing about this company is that they sell various brands inside of their brick and mortar stores. The brands that I worked with for WONDERPLACE was FDM and Field Worker. And after that shoot, they sent me some clothes and we got a big box, so let's check it out. Alright you guys, I got my trusty butter knife. This is a big box. Oh my god. What did they send me? Look how big this box is, you guys. Okay, wait, we got a letter. There's a letter in here. Chakamanyo. Here's my letter. I hope it's in focus. What does it say? So, dear Brandon model, 2020 Fashion Week, FDM과 함께 해줘서 감사합니다. 다음에도 함께 재미있게 촬영해요. Thank you, Brandon. So pretty much we did the shoot for FDM and for Field Worker, and they're saying the shoot went really well, and thank you. So, oh my gosh, there's a lot of stuff in here. Okay, let's get started. We're gonna go with the first thing. So we got some plastic bags, and they gave us a big bag. Ooh, fabulous dynamic movement. Okay, you guys, look at my nice legs. Let's try this out. You know, it fits. Look, it fits nice. I mean, all the clothes usually is small for me, but I mean, I just pull it down a little bit. I got some nice pockets. So yeah, you guys, we got the fabulous dynamic movement. These pants are 60,000 won. Pretty nice pants. Let's check something else out. Next, we got another amazing thing, you guys. Oh, another pants. Let's change into these pants. I think we got black now. Let's see. We have black. 32, no, this is my size. So this is jogger fit. These pants are 50 bucks, 50,000. Look at this. Oh, these ones are longer. What about these ones? These ones are definitely longer. So I got these pockets right here, like these front pockets. I thought this was back pockets at first, but they're front pockets. And I got 2 pockets here, and I have 1 back pocket. What do you guys think of these ones? But that's weird, they're the same pants. Like, they're both 32 jogger fit. Technically, they're the same pants. For some reason, the black ones are a little bit longer. Maybe, or do I just have it really pulled down? No, it definitely is longer. What? So we got this big old thing. It says, a new label has meaning, fundamentalist. That the label started under the slogan of people with a fun spirit. Through fabulous dynamic movement, with a lot of interest and observation on culture and the age phenomenon with identity. Based on the youth culture trend, this is a sensational street style label of the times to create something new. And there's the logo. Dude, there's a lot of stuff in this bag. This box. What? Yo! They sent me a big old winter jacket. It's only 90 bucks. Hope you guys like my Lionel Richie shirt, by the way. Hello, is it me you're looking for? How'd I look? I look like a polar bear. I look good? I look good. Check this out. I'm like sweating already. Oh, and the jacket comes with some presents inside. Check this out. Silicone bead. What y'all think of this? Check this out. This is like super warm. I'm melting already, you guys. I'm sweating. So I think it looks pretty nice. So I got the black jeans on, the black jogger pants, and I got my polar bear jacket. That's it for the unboxing, you guys. Since there's so much clothes, we're gonna split it into 2 videos. We're gonna keep going, you guys. Shouts out to Maple Story. Yoja? This is Yoja? Yeah. Nah. No, it's different. This is also 90. Hi, what do you guys think of this one? Let me see. What do you guys think of this? I got the pockets. Only comes with 1 present. But I guess this one is fundamentalist. So like when we read this paper on the bag, it said the fabulous dynamic movement, but then they talked about the fundamentalist identity thing in here. So I guess there's multiple divisions in the company. But it looks nice. It's hot. I'm melting. You think it's cute? I look cute? How cute? Super cute? Yeah. And you can see this one's a little different. It says fundamentalist, and on the back, it has the fundamentalist on the back. Just pretty cool. Damn, she sent me like 800 jackets. What? Oh, I know this one. I know this. This is my jacket. There was a jacket that I was like, I really want this jacket, and it's here. Oh my god, oh my god. Ah! Now this is FDM, the Fabrics Dynamic Movement. As you can see, it has the FDM logo right there. Yo, what is this? I look cool. What do you guys think of this jacket? What do you guys think of this one? There's a term for this type of material and I can't remember it. Plaid? Khaki? No. Oh, this one's fresh, yo. And I got like the all white inside, just dripping. What do you guys think of this one in the comments below? Would you rock it? It's probably like 90 bucks like the rest. Oh, one last, you guys. One last one. This is the one I like. Because I have photos from this one. Okay, let's check it out right now. First, we got this nice little FDM logo. Does it come off? And it has the story of the company. Ooh. Ooh. Let me move this box out the way. Look at this, you guys. I'm dripping. You guys, I'm dripping right now. Look how good I look. Yo, hold up. I need my grills. Let me wait 2 seconds. Cue that beat. I'm gonna put an acapella freestyle for you guys. Yo, I need to say yo, close into tour, yo. Oh my gosh. WONDERPLACE, FDM, it's okay. Come tell me, da. I'm a rapper. Yeah, you like my rap? Tondo. So you like my rap? Twile? Anyways, you guys, this is a pretty nice jacket though. Alright, you guys, I just finished unboxing FDM. You can find them being sold at WONDERPLACE, online, or in the store. But you guys have a question. Which was your favorite outfit? Which was your favorite part? Was it these black pants? Was it this black jacket? Was it the blue, sky blue jacket? We got the Polar Bear 1. We got the Polar Bear 2. And we got the gray pants. Leave in the comments below what your favorite outfit was. Anyways, you guys, make sure you guys like, subscribe, and do all that good stuff because it helps support the channel. And if there's any brands that I should check out, let me know. Like always, you guys, take care and fighting.